started the treatment on the 27th of April, and within a couple of months I felt my general health, within a couple of weeks I felt that my general physical condition has improved. When I was exercising, I felt my energy level was much higher, and the most effective treatment among the three treatments, which is tablets, clinical treatment, and at-home program. I have found that the clinical treatment is the most effective because it has a deep cleansing effect on my scalp, and the burning effect lasted every time I have the treatment. The effect will last at least 30 minutes, the numbness. Yeah, very effective. And I have to be patient because I started treatment very late, so I need at least a couple of months to see greater results.